Hi, Bilaal. How are you feeling?
Hey there, Doc. I'm not feeling too well.
Oh no, that's not good. What are your symptoms?
I've been experiencing shortness of breath, extreme fatigue, a bacterial infection, lots of pain, and my hands are all swollen.
Oh my goodness. It looks like you have sickle cell anemia. Well, other symptoms associated with this condition includes leg ulcers, lung and heart injury, as well as eye damage. It's an autosomal recessive condition caused by a genetic mutation on chromosome 11.
Whoa. I'm just in high school, Doc. You're speaking gibberish right now.
Well, I almost forgot. I actually have a cool video that I can show you on what sickle cell anemia is. Let's check it out. Let's get cellular with sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is an inherited blood disorder in which red blood cells are deformed and rapidly destroyed. It is caused by a mutation in the DNA that makes hemoglobin, which is the protein in red blood cells that is required to carry oxygen throughout the body. This is an autosomal recessive disorder, which means that you need one mutated copy of hemoglobin gene from your mother and one from your father in order to inherit sickle cell anemia. Hemoglobin has 4 protein subunits, 2 of which are called alpha globin and the other 2 called beta globin. In those with sickle cell anemia, both of these beta globin subunits are replaced with the mutated version, hemoglobin S. When this happens, the shape of the whole red blood cell gets distorted into a rigid, crescent-like shape instead of a smooth and round-fill shape that the healthy ones have. These are called sickle cell-shaped red blood cells. The sickle cell-shaped cells have a tendency to burst apart or break down very easily. Our body's constantly making new red blood cells to replace the old ones. However, it is unable to keep up with the rapid rate that sickled cells are lost at. So the total red blood cell count becomes much lower, and this condition is known as anemia, which commonly causes fatigue and shortness of breath. Due to the shape of sickled cells, they tend to stick to the walls of the vessels and block the flow of blood, and thereby oxygen from passing through vessels. These blockages lead to very painful episodes. As tissues and organs get deprived of oxygen, they can lead to serious organ damage in the brain, eyes, lungs, and kidneys. Hydroxyurea is an oral medicine prescribed to manage symptoms associated with sickle cell anemia. However, blood transfusions and bone marrow transplants are the only current cure known for this disease, but it doesn't work for everyone. Did you know that the sickle cell gene is associated with resistance to malaria? This is why there is a high population of sickle cell gene in Africa, as the gene favors survival. So that's sickle cell anemia. I can put you down for some treatments. We can get started with a bone marrow transplant.
Really? That sounds really scary.
It is a little bit, but we can get through the process together and you'll be feeling a lot better after you get through it.
Okay, that sounds like a plan.